Here's another quick recipe from our dietitian, Simone.
Look what I've got here. Fresh red capsicums straight from the grower, and I've got my hands on them before anyone else. Did you know that red capsicums have more vitamin C than an orange? In fact, nearly 3 times as much. And that a red capsicum is just a green capsicum that is ripe. And because it's ripe, it's so much sweeter. Damien, you can have them now.
Rightio.
Today I've got the perfect dip that will impress your guests at your next barbecue or party. This is my Chargrilled Capsicum Dip, packed with fresh ingredients and flavour. Prior to preparing the dip, chargrill your capsicum in the oven and remove the skin. Then in a food processor, mix all your ingredients. The chargrilled capsicum, cashew nuts, oregano leaves, basil leaves, parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice and 2 scoops of Ensure vanilla powder. Adding Ensure vanilla powder provides protein and 28 vitamins and minerals to help keep your body strong and healthy. You may need to stop and push down the mixture from the sides occasionally while blending. Blend until it forms a lumpy paste. Scoop into a bowl and serve with cut up fresh vegetables and crackers. Also perfect for a snack any time of the day. For this absolutely fail-safe recipe, be sure to grab some Ensure vanilla powder from any participating pharmacy.